back in action. We're back in the action, boys. So first things first, man. I mean, if you guys want to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below, I will give away anything that turns out good in this video, if anything actually does turn out good, if we can get like 2,000 likes within the day, because I can still go to the post office real close to me, and also it does help us get monetized, which we haven't been lately, so that it all helps. Comment and stuff like that. Awesome. Thank you. Also, my Instagram's right here. I know times are real boring right now. I'm real active on there, so if you guys want to go hit me up, I am verified. If you don't believe me, go check yourself at that right there. Go check it out. And last thing, this video is not sponsored, so I'm going to sponsor it myself. NameBranFam.com is our website that we have been killing it on, boys. Y'all want jewelry like this? If y'all want jewelry like this for a lot cheaper, this is real. So the fake stuff is what I sell, but it's like good stuff. It's free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. Here's one of the pieces right here that I'm actually real proud of that we just put on the website. You can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. So here's an idea of a video I haven't thought about too much. I just felt like hydro dipping something today. Been real bored in my house, self-quarantined, and just thought, hey, let's do something pretty fun. I've been watching some of these videos on YouTube. I've been doing them for a long time. I was the first ever to hydro dip like a $700 pair of Yeezys, which was funny. I thought that was hilarious. So I thought we'd do one today, and I thought it would be an awesome day for it because it's been such good weather until I looked out the window and it's now blizzarding snow out here in Winnipeg. So that, I don't know how this is gonna work out. Felt like hydro dipping, and here's a premise. So I was going through my stuff. I was like, what can we hydro dip that would be kind of cool to see how it turns out? I found all these chains right here that like are real. I wouldn't say they're bad fakes, but they're not sick. They're just cheap pieces of jewelry that are silver, da-da-da-da-da. And I thought, hey, let's hydro dip them a real gold color. Let's try to make them look as gold as possible in the realest type of way. So as an example, here's a chain that we're gonna try. This one right here is a fake gold rope chain, and here is a real gold rope chain that we just unboxed. Y'all could kind of see the color difference, I'm sure. Now, I have been looking. I actually found some spray paint. I have about 30 cans in my basement because I've been doing this for a long time and I love spray painting crap. I found the perfect one. It's a real good gold color. It almost looks like 14 karat gold. I'm pretty sure it'll look like that when it's on the chain. And this one, if you're wondering, is called Metallic or whatever. Oh, sorry, metallic. I was looking at the French side. Metallic. So that is legit the premise today. Taking some cheap chains and hydro dipping them to make them look real. Alright, so I just was thinking, I didn't even explain to some of you guys who might not know what hydro dipping is, or what it is, because I was just going around trying to figure out how we're going to do this. This is my day off, but screw it. I feel like doing something fun, because what else am I doing? Hydro dipping. What is it? Let me throw up a GIF real quick. That's what it is. You pour water in something, and then you spray paint, and then you dunk something in, and when you dunk it in, it catches the spray paint, da-da-da-da-da, it changes color. That's your explanation. Perfect. Now let's go. Look at this, man. You guys can't even see the snow blowing, but oh, she's blowing. Oh, buddy. We just had grass. Every snow yesterday was melted. Now this is what's happening. Christ almighty. Anyway, got the bucket here. We're gonna need something a little bit small, so I'm sure this will work. And then we go into the washroom right here. Fill her up with whatever type of water. I don't know if it's supposed to be hot or not, but I'm sure this will do. Oh my God, let's go! Alright, water's filled. Next part is to spray paint the actual spray on the top so it can, you know, soak in. Now, we're gonna pick what one to do first. I think what I want to try is actually this gold one right here, just so we have something to compare with this real one, see how it actually looks. This one's a little bit lighter, this one's a little bit darker. You know, we can do chains like this, but now that I think about it, with the spray paint, once you dunk it in, it's gonna be real goopy, and I don't think it'll be able to go through these holes and cover it properly. So I think the best way to do this right now is with some like rope chains like this, or whatever type of chain this is. Let's go spray. Let's take off the rings because this is gonna get a little messy. I was gonna get some gloves, but guess what? They're all sold out because everyone's buying 100 of them because they're all freaking out. All right, because it's blizzarding and I don't want to really go outside like that right now. My girlfriend's in the room playing Minecraft or something, so hopefully she won't notice what I'm doing right now, but I think we're just gonna take this and spray it right outside real quick and then bring it back in so we can do the video. I don't get cold, it's gonna be a little smelly, but hopefully she's playing Minecraft for another few hours, she won't smell it. Anyway, that's the gist of what's happening. Right, so place this right here. This is why my neighbors think I'm nuts. Grab this, blow, and this. And here we have it. So like I say, this is the realest gold color I could find. We have the gold chain right here that we're gonna make more gold. And all we gotta do is dunk her, man. Let's go. I don't know what way to do this. I've done this in a while. Maybe just drop it or just like that. See that? Oh man. Woo, is that ever satisfying? We're gonna get my fingertips a little bit. All right, then you shake her, you bring her back out. I don't know what to, I'm not really sure what to think. Does it look the same or? Okay, we're gonna try this on silver because I can't even tell the difference. I'm not sure what it used to look like or what it looks like now anymore. God damn it. Well, take two, real quick. We may not have toilet paper, but look what we do got. Okay, perfect. So we'll put the gold chain right here on the paper towel. Hopefully y'all can see what's going on here. I'm perfect. That actually looks really, really good. I'm not gonna lie at all. Wow. I can totally see the difference now. It kind of had a gold color of this before, which, you know, looks a little too gold. That looks crazy. Okay, let's try silver one. You know, I'm just gonna dunk half the silver one in now. Let's do this one and see what half it looks like. You know, so we can kind of tell the difference. This might be a really, really good or bad idea, but I'm pretty sure I'm leaning towards good right now. Let's dunk half of it in. Let's see if we can get a nice gold. Very nice, very nice. Perfect. Shake her off a little bit, I think is what I've seen. And that looks really bad. It looks not good at all. Shit. Double coat sometimes works. Okay, bring it up through there, make a little swirl, and let's try her again, boys. This is gonna be the win. So maybe I wouldn't do it on silver. That sucks. That's a bad one. Alright, so while I leave the ones to dry that we just did right here, I'm actually real stoked about the gold one. I'm gonna leave it. We'll show that at the end. Let's try this one right here, a Cuban one. Now, if you guys can see, this is just like dull. It's like got silver coming through. I think this was like, I can't remember what video this was from. But let's give her a dunk. Let's see how it turns out when it's all faded. You see that? You see that fade? Let's see if it actually helps. With a bigger piece this time. Okay, good. Give her a shake, and oh my god! That's pretty good. I mean, I wouldn't wear it. No, that looks awful, doesn't it? Shoot. It's not bad. You know, if I did a better job at it and maybe cleaned off all the dust that was apparently on it, because there's a lot of bubbles here, maybe it'd look good. I'm just gonna dump that in there. That wasn't bad. Where does our experiment go next? All right, so I've left this for a couple minutes now. Obviously that last one didn't work, but as this starts to dry, this original gold one that we did, that we spray painted, that is clearly not dry yet, damn it, is actually looking real good. So I want to try some more gold stuff. This right here does not look like real gold color. It's a little off. It just looks cheap. Let's just try it for the color's sake. You know what I mean? Let's see if the color gets a little bit better. I'm just gonna dunk a little tiny bit so we can kind of see exactly what's changing and what it was like, you know, if that makes sense. This is old. This is old. That was stupid. That was a bad decision. I needed to re-spray paint. That sucked. That whole explanation made me sound so smart, and then I just absolutely screwed it up like that. I'll go find another chain. Alright, I found another chain. Sorry, this is all hectic. Now, if one of you guys tells my girlfriend over Instagram, I know some of you added her on there, that I'm doing this inside, I'm gonna kill you. So just don't, please. Let me do my thing. I know I shouldn't be spray painting inside, but I don't want to go out there. Thought I heard her coming out of the room. Okay, good. We got the spray in there. Go this gold chain this time. Try to make it the same sort of color that this one is right here. So we need a little bit lighter, but not too light. Just a little bit. Yep, up. Oh, buddy. That one's a winner right there. Let's go. Alright guys, so I don't know how this video is going to turn out when edited, but I left these for about 45 minutes-ish to dry. In between there, my girlfriend called me into the room saying she smelled spray paint. So that's why I'm stopping it right now, and I can't do anymore apparently, but this is how I think this one turned out that was the best right here. This was the original gold one. It's just got a nice color to it. Does it look like the real one? Kinda. You know, if you really squint for a second, it really looks real. I'm not mad at it. It looks, I think, more real than it did before. Maybe I have to go back in footage and look at that, but I'm pretty sure it does. Here's the silver one we did. Now this one almost comes off, if you want like a rose gold look, it actually does come off kind of rose goldy. There's a silver that it was before. That's what it does here. I know this is a goofy video. I'm just doing it because I'm curious. It doesn't look actual gold, but rose gold, it can pass. Meaning, boys, for Valentine's Day or whatever coming up with your girl, if you want to buy her just a nice silver chain and rose gold it, you know, by hydro dipping it. I won't tell her you can do that, and it's gonna look a little more fancy. And then this last one right here, this is like the gold version. So this is what the gold was, and then this is what it is after hydro dipping. It's kind of rose gold. That one didn't really turn out too well, but it didn't turn out bad. Honestly, with the Cuban chain part of it, it looks pretty good. Anyway, that's my experiment for today. I was bored, so I thought I'd make a video on it. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merkin the Game, greatest of all time. Y'all the goats. NameBranFam.com. The link is down below. You can get 2 free items for the price of 1 shipping in your cart if you go to NameBranFam.com. Got a piece like this. I'm real proud of this one. You know, it looks real good. Y'all, I'm Merkin the Game. Blah.